Welcome to Sketch Zone 1. Monthly video, June 2024. Excavation and transportation. Area 8B Subzone 5. $210,000 metric tons have been excavated. Mixing work is in progress. 253,000 metric tons have been transported to the treatment area. Area 8D, Subzone 4. Dewatering work is in progress. Lamor pumps LDP 330 to dewater the excavation areas to boost the progress on the excavation in the flooded areas, minimizing the time needed to remove the water. $150,000 metric tons have been excavated. 90,000 metric tons have been transported to the treatment area. Area 8D, Subzone 7. $20,000 metric tons have been excavated. $55,000 metric tons have been transported to the treatment area. This month, 118,000 metric tons of contaminated soil have been excavated. Cumulative till date, 2,220,000 metric tons of contaminated soil have been excavated. This month, 127,000 metric tons have been transported to the treatment center. Cumulative till date, 2,156,000 metric tons have been transported to the treatment center. Treatment area. Screening, pulverizing, and placing. This month, 95,000 metric tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads. Cumulative till date, 1,920,000 metric tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads. Bioremediation. During this month, the following activities and outcomes were observed in the bioremediation process. 10 batches were screened and placed on treatment pads for bioremediation. Baseline sampling was conducted for 12 batches. Tilling, irrigation, inoculum addition, and surfactant addition were performed on a total of 45 batches, covering approximately 405,000 cubic meters of soil. 27 interim treatment progress samples were collected for monitoring purposes. During this month, 207,000 metric tons have reached RTC. Cumulative till date, 1,600,000 metric tons have reached RTC. Twelve batches were removed to the temporary stockpile area. Soil washing plant. 3 batches of soil were placed for treatment using the soil washing method. The soil washing plant operated for a total of 464 hours, averaging 66 tons per hour and 20 hours per day. A total of 30,812 tons of soil was processed through the soil washing plant this month, averaging 66 tons per hour. 22,299 tons from TPH band 5 to 7%. 8,513 tons from TPH band 7 to 10%. The total water consumption for the soil washing process was 4,191 cubic meters. 2 baseline samples were collected. For treatment verification samples were collected. Landfill. Transportation of contaminated soil to landfill has started on the 6th of June, 2024. Construction of concrete access stairs is ongoing. Installation of crash barriers is ongoing. Construction of diesel generators and fire extinguisher foundations is in progress. Concrete work for the open channel is in progress. Excavation work for South Kuwait pits is in progress. Installation of the electrical earthing system is in progress. Landfill infilling process. 41,000 metric tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by KERP Lamor with a total of 905 trips. 35,000 metric tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by HISCO with a total of 697 trips. A total of 76,000 metric tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill with a total of 1,602 trips up to the 30th of June.